As the day winds down and the quiet of the night begins, this prayer is a moment to release the weight of today and prepare your heart for rest. Allow yourself to slow your breathing, set aside your worries, and enter into God's presence. Let these words guide you into peace as you prepare for deep rest and calm sleep. Dear God, as the day finally comes to an end and the night wraps around me in quietness, I come to you seeking rest. My body feels tired from all that today required, and my mind carries the weight of thoughts that have followed me from morning until now. In this moment, I choose to pause, to breathe, and to turn my attention fully to you. Thank you for bringing me through this day and for staying with me through every moment, even the ones that felt heavy or overwhelming. Lord, you know how full my days can be. You see the responsibilities I juggle, the expectations I try to meet, and the pressure that builds when life feels demanding. Some days leave me drained, both physically and emotionally. Tonight, I place all of that into your hands. I lay down the worries from work, the concerns about finances, the unresolved conversations, and the things I could not fix or control. Help me release the weight of today so I can rest in peace. God, I thank you for the strength you gave me throughout this day. Even when I felt tired, you helped me keep going. Even when I felt unsure, you guided me forward. Thank you for the small moments of grace, kind words, quiet pauses, and reminders that I am not alone. Help me remember that every effort I made today mattered to you. Lord, if there are mistakes I made or moments I wish I could change, I ask for your forgiveness. Forgive my impatience, my worries, and my doubts. Free my heart from guilt and regret. I don't want to carry those things into the night. I receive your mercy and allow my heart to rest in your grace. God, I ask for your peace to fill my mind now. Quiet the racing thoughts that try to keep me awake. Calm the anxious thoughts about tomorrow and the future. Your word says, "In peace I will lie down and sleep, for you alone, Lord, make me dwell in safety." I hold on to this promise tonight and trust that you are watching over me as I rest. Lord, I ask for deep rest and calm sleep. Let my breathing slow and my muscles relax. Release the tension stored in my body and allow true rest to come. Heal the places within me that feel worn down, stressed, or exhausted. Restore my strength and renew my spirit as I sleep. God, I place my home under your protection tonight. Watch over this space and fill it with peace. Protect my loved ones wherever they are and cover them with your care. Thank you for being a faithful guardian who never sleeps and never leaves my side. Lord, thank you for your constant presence in my life. Thank you for walking with me through every hardship, every challenge, and every quiet victory. Even when life feels uncertain or overwhelming, you remain steady and faithful. I am grateful for your love that does not depend on my circumstances. God, as I lie down now, I release this day completely into your hands. I trust you with what I have done and with what tomorrow holds. Thank you for giving me permission to rest, knowing that you are in control. Tonight, I sleep in your peace, trusting you to carry me through the night and into a new day. Amen. May you now rest peacefully, free from the burdens of the day. May God's peace guard your mind, His presence surround you, and His love bring deep and healing rest. As you sleep, trust that He is watching over you and preparing a new morning filled with grace and renewed strength.